Hi guys, this is chapter 1 in which you will learn about basics of PHP. You know that this is very first class and first chapter in which we will discuss different outlines that will cover in the chapter 1. So first of all, in the chapter 1 of PHP, chapter name is basics of PHP. First of all, we will discuss introduction to PHP. I discuss basics, properties, characteristics of PHP, theoretical concept, very important to know, and then scope of PHP. PHP applications, there are different applications that develop with PHP, different website, different platform that are developed with PHP. And another is very important one to set a environment setup is very important for PHP. We want to work with PHP, you have to set environment at first in your system, in your laptop PC. So after installing required software for environment setup, I will discuss different syntax of PHP, how you can use PHP, how you can write PHP coding in HTML document. Hello World program, very basic and important one program for every programming language. Same like we will learn how you can create a Hello World program in the PHP. Echo versus print, there are two methods to display anything else to user. These are two output function used in the PHP. So there is some difference between echo and print method. I will discuss that difference also. Comments, result word, and escape sequence. So these are different topics that we'll cover in the chapter 1. So in the next class we will learn about how you can introduce a PHP basic concept, theoretical concept about PHP.